How are you doing? Now, I want to ask you something. Do you drive any of these new Mercedes Benz, a BMW, Audi, or any of these modern cars? Then come closer. Let me tell you something. If you drive any of these cars and you approach deep flood water, do about turn and drive in the opposite direction because your car is not Michael Phelps. It can't swim. Period. But this is because your car has electric steering that is located at the lower part of your car. And when water makes contact with this electric steering, your car will begin to dance.
You go dance. We begging. We begging. We begging. We begging. We begging. What's the meaning of this?
The same thing applies to cars that have air intake at the lower part of the car. Now, when you drive your car through deep flood water, water can enter through that air intake and cause expensive engine damage. Now, could have been the damage might have been done. Don't worry yourself. Calm down. I can still hook you up. Share this video with a friend. Your friend might one day ask you to escort him to come and buy engine at my warehouse. But don't worry, I will always welcome you. Emeka, if you got that 2GR engine at that place,